Planning to explore Zurich, but don't want to drag your luggage around all day? Radical Storage offers a simple and secure solution for storing your bags while you enjoy the city. In this video, I'll explain how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Zurich using Radical Storage, a trusted platform offering secure, insured storage options. Radical Storage partners with local businesses like hotels, shops, and cafes to ensure your luggage is stored safely while you explore. To get started, click the secure link in the description to access the official Radical Storage website. Once on the site, finding a luggage storage point in Zurich is easy. Simply enter Zurich into the search bar, and you'll see a list of storage locations across the city. Choose a location that is convenient, whether near tourist attractions, train stations, or Zurich city center. Then, select your preferred drop-off and pick-up times, and complete the payment securely online. Once your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number and directions to the storage location. Upon arrival, show your reference to the staff, and they will safely store your bags. Now you're ready to explore Zurich without worrying about your luggage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.